Hello guys. So my name is Roshan Nandurkar. You are watching my YouTube channel, Java and Python Geek. So here I am going to discuss how to create executable file for Java project. For Java project, how to create executable file. So for that, I have already created one window application here. So like for example, let's say I have created this application. So now whenever we run this application, now you will see we are getting this login form here. Okay, so now for this application, we want to create one executable file here. So for that, we need to have for that we need to have okay for that we need to have uh, for that we need to have launch 4j software launch 4j okay launch 4j software to create executable file launch 4j software. Okay, so now uh, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to right click on this project. So to create executable file, Uh, I have already installed Launch 4j software. Okay, this will be the Launch 4j software. Launch 4j software. Okay, Launch 4j software I have already installed here. So now, after installing Launch 4j software, I will right click. First of all, we have to create a jar file here, jar file for this application here. So now, to create a jar file, we will say right click on this project and we will say clean and build. So now whenever we will say clean and build, so now here you can see on console, here we will get some message here. Okay, so now you can see uh, at this location, okay, at this location, uh, we have one jar file here. We have one jar file here. Okay, so we have one jar file here. So now I will open this location. I will open this location. I will open this location. And now here you can see jar file here. So I will copy all these files. I will copy all this file here. I will copy. Okay, this is my project location. This is my project location. Okay, this is my project location. And inside this project location, there is a SRC folder. And then under dist folder, okay, you can see library Hibernate Crude 2024 jar files. So now jar file get created here. So now I will copy this all files and then at a root folder, I will create one setup folder here. Setup folder I will create at here. Okay, setup folder I will create it here. You can create any folder name, but related name I will create a setup. And then inside the setup folder, I will paste okay those copied files here. Okay, lib folder, then Hibernate, and then real readme txt file. And now from root folder, I will copy one more folder, that is the build folder. Okay, inside the build folder, you will see your classes, compiled classes will be here. Compiled classes, okay, compiled classes will be there. Okay, now you can see here we have some compiled classes here. Okay, so now I will copy okay total this build folder and then I will paste it in setup. Okay, now here we have build lib and then Hibernate jar file here, that is project jar file here. Now I will open launch 4j software. Launch 4j software. Okay, now then launch 4j from launch 4j software. Then I need to open output file here, output file here. So I will open output file here. Okay, so now I will click on this icon. Now I will open my project folder location. So my project folder is like this one, my project name. Then I will open setup. Okay, and now here I will create. Okay, like for example, I will say my project.exe. Okay, this is my project name, exe file name. Okay, executable file name, this will be my executable file name. Okay, whichever file we are creating. So this will be the executable file name. So now I will click on save, and now from the same location I have to select this jar file. This jar file I have to select from that location. I will say open, and then icon. Okay, suppose you want to create an icon for your executable file. So then you can select icon, so right now we don't have icon, so we will copy ico file. Okay, ico file. Okay, dot ico file you must need to copy. So now I will say, I will select some ico file from my system dot ico file. Okay, icons, and now we have icon file here. So uh, let's say I select this icon file. Okay, icon file, I select this icon file, and now I will paste this icon file, netbeans, and then this is my project folder, and then setup, then I will paste icon file here. Okay, so now this will be the icon. So for that I need to select icon file here. Okay, from icon I will select this icon file. Okay, now open, and then we will click on GRE option. Okay, so now here you can see you were at right now you are at basic option. Now we have to select GRE option, and then from GRE option we have to write minimum GRE version here. So minimum GRE version will be 1.0.0, 1.0.0. And now I will build this. Okay, wrapper. I will build this wrapper. Now, once again, it will ask you to select a location. So now I will select a location. So my project location, Barnet 2024 setup. Okay, so now, and then I will say launch. Okay, launch file name will be the launch. Here the launch file will get created. So now I will click on save. So now you can see. Okay, so now I can close this. Okay, so now here you can see, so my project.exe file, okay, get created here. So now if we click on this, so now here you can see your project is launching. So in this way you can create executable file for Java application. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe.